Hey Popstars, what's up? I'm CakePopClara. Today we are going to be opening some Kawaii pink winter boots. These were super cheap. I'm excited to share with you and see if the quality is actually good enough to withstand a harsh winter. I have something to say. I don't want to be drowned out by the sound of my own tears. Oh, okay, it's in the bag. I see it. I'm just gonna say something real quick. I have like so many ideas for videos. I know it's been a while since I posted. I'm opening boots from Amazon when I could be sharing like all about my life and everything I'm doing and like my new habits and my new routines. I have so much ideas for videos that I'm just like overwhelmed with the possibilities. My resolve right now is to just get some juices flowing, making a video based off my current needs, which is winter boots. My old ones, totally fucking jacked up. Oops. I'm actually really excited to share these with you. Ooh. They look so cute. So this is in the bag. They're in the bag now. These have a really funny feature. They have like ribbon laces, but it actually comes with other ones too. Oh, cute. They actually look pretty good quality. These are 30 bucks. You can see the bottom. You see that little flower pattern? If I'm walking in the snow, I'm gonna leave a trail of flowers. That's so wholesome. We're getting this out and about. Here's the shoe itself. Ooh. The laces look pretty in the light. People are saying they're not very practical, but for Lolita, maybe I could actually pull it off. If it's actually snowing outside, I could sneak it in. Look at the back, there is a pearl. There's a little pearly boy. They're not Lolita, I'm not gonna say that, but I think they are actually pretty cute. I wear size 8.5. I chose this pair because they actually had half sizes. The inside is actually all the way fur-lined too. I did not expect that. That means these are gonna be hella warm. I literally have been living off of these shoes that are not good for winter. This is such an upgrade. I am actually also gonna try these on. I need a Spice Girl. Zigga zigga, I fuck up my own world. That's so weird. Just coming back in to give you about a 2-week update on the shoes. My one quarrel with them, is that a word? That's not the right word. Literally my one issue with them is that they scuff really easily, and so they have these little spiky boys on the back, and so it's easy to like hit the back of the shoe with the front of the shoe. For longevity, I mean, it's about a 2 out of 10. But besides that, they've been doing really well dealing with the weather. They are definitely waterproof. They are very warm. I think all in all, they're a good cheap option. They're just not gonna stay looking sharp and pristine for very long. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, if you want to have the confidence to wear the fashion that you love, definitely subscribe to my channel because that's what we're all about here. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.